When many Jamaicans hear the term Spanish needle, they remember their school days reciting The Spanish Needle, a famous poem which was written by iconic Jamaican poet Claude McKay. The poem, Spanish Needle, spoke glowingly of this dainty, awesome flowering herb, which is well cherished for its medicinal and nutritional potential. Spanish needle is among a multitude of botanicals in Jamaica which have medicinal or therapeutic benefits. Spanish needle's scientific name is Bidens Pilosa. While it is commonly known as Spanish needle in Jamaica, in other countries the herb is known as blackjack, beggar's sticks, devil's needles, cobbler's pegs, broomstick, pitchforks, and farmer's friends. Spanish needle is a favorite of goats and a source of nectar for bees. Today, we will look at the benefits of Spanish needle to the skin and general health. Spanish needle is well known and used in treating various diseases such as indigestion, diarrhea, as well as wounds and respiratory infections. All parts of the Spanish needle, the aerial parts, which are the leaves, flowers, seeds, and stems, and the roots, whether fresh or dried, are used as ingredients in folk medicines in Jamaica. A study titled Bidens Pilosa, Botanical Properties, Traditional Uses, Phytochemistry, and Pharmacology, which was published in the Journal of Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine, noted that Spanish needle or Bidens Pilosa is a representative perennial herb globally distributed across temperate and tropical regions and has been traditionally used in foods and medicines without obvious adverse effects. The study, which was conducted by scientists from the Philippines and Taiwan, also noted that botanical studies and records show that there have been traditional use of Spanish needle for treating more than 40 disorders, among them inflammation, immunological disorders, digestive disorders, infectious diseases, cancers, metabolic syndrome, wounds, and many others. The scientists also noted that other extensive studies have demonstrated that Spanish needle extracts and compounds have anti-tumor, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, and anti-hyperglycemic activities. In addition to being able to treat more than 40 disorders, a total of 201 compounds have been identified from Spanish needle. How to identify Spanish needle? Spanish needle has white and yellow flowers and long, ribbed black seeds. It grows to an average height of 60 centimeters and a maximum of 150 centimeters in favorable environments. In terms of its traditional uses, Spanish needle is used as an herb and as an ingredient in teas or herbal medicines. Its shoots and leaves, whether dried or fresh, are also utilized in sauces and teas. In the 1970s, the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, promoted the cultivation of Spanish needle in sections of the African continent as the herb was deemed easy to grow, edible, palatable, and safe. In recent times, Spanish needle has become a key ingredient in some beauty products. Where the skin is concerned, Spanish needle treats the effect of skin aging and photoaging. It is also popularly used to treat acne and psoriasis as it provides the skin with calming and illuminating effects. A research paper titled Anti-Aging Mechanisms of a Standardized Supercritical CO2 Preparation of Blackjack or Bidens Pilosa in human fibroblasts and skin fragments which was conducted by researchers in Brazil and which evaluated the anti-aging effects of a supercritical CO2 extract from Spanish needle, found that the effects produced were similar to or better than those produced by retinol and retinoic acid. The study, which was published in the Journal of Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine, noted that the results provided a basis for the development of preparations containing Spanish needle extract as an anti-aging or skin repair agent. In the beauty industry, Spanish needle extract is said to have the ability to plump skin for a more youthful appearance without the potential side effects of traditional retinol. In fact, many brands are adding the plant to their formulas to help with skin texture, firmness, as well as the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. In March 2022, beauty magazine Shape predicted that botanicals like Spanish needle may just be the future of actives in skincare. Since bioretinols come from a plant source, when harvested ethically, they can be a sustainable choice, and because Spanish needle is a weed which grows freely across the world, including Jamaica, it is not under any threat of over-harvesting. In terms of the benefits of Spanish needle to the skin, Spanish needle is said to contain phytanic acid, which is said to activate retinoid receptors in the skin, which in turn increases collagen and elastin production. This provides structure and firmness to the skin and a youthful appearance without irritation. More information can be found on Spanish needle in the book In My Backyard, Powerful Herbs and Foods of the Caribbean, Part 1, where it is categorized as a powerful herb for repair and in which its internal and external applications are also outlined.
Love them here. These love things. Look. See these? See these, man. Spanish needle.